Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks for business accounting, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and choose the option to create a new company file. Select the type of business you operate. Enter your business name and contact information. Choose your industry from the drop-down menu. Set the financial year start date according to your business's fiscal calendar. Decide whether to enable online banking features, and input your bank details if applicable. Complete the company setup by customizing your chart of accounts based on your business needs. Add customers by selecting the Customer Center and clicking New Customer. Input relevant details such as customer name, contact information, and payment terms. Create vendor entries in the Vendor Center using the New Vendor option. Fill in the vendor's name, address, and any other pertinent details. Set up products and services under the Products and Services tab. Choose between inventory, non-inventory, and service items, then fill in necessary details. Organize your invoices by creating templates in the Custom Form Style section. Select the default payment terms and preferred payment methods for invoices. Integrate your accounting software with any existing systems or applications your business uses. Review your account settings to ensure all information is accurate and complete. Test your setup by running a sample transaction to verify proper configuration. Save your settings and complete any additional configurations as necessary. Regularly update your QuickBooks for optimal performance and security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.